I'm here in New York City, ready to run the New York City Marathon. It is 4:30 in the morning. I'm ready, I'm prepared. My name is Mark Relay. I'm from Sonora, California. I have come to New York to run the New York City Marathon as an osseointegrative below-the-knee amputee in support of Dr. Rozbruch and what he's doing here to change the lives of amputees. Back in 2013, I broke my leg, which resulted in compartment syndrome. I had 9 surgeries and spent 35 days in the hospital. My goal was to always save my leg, no quit. You're not gonna take my leg off. But after 21 surgeries of fighting for it, it just wasn't working out. We exhausted every option. I chose amputation in 2020. After that, I got my sockets, which are these bad boys right here. This was my first socket. This is a temporary socket. Every amputee gets one of these below the knee. I had issues with my nerves. Therefore, I cut holes in the side of my sockets to alleviate pressure and to alleviate that nerve rubbing. Mentally, I just wasn't there. Mentally, I was having a really, really tough time with coping with all the surgeries and just the chase of health. I knew about Dr. Rozbruch and what he was performing here in New York City back in 2017. I just wasn't prepared mentally and physically to undergo a surgery like osseointegration. But in 2022, I was done and I said, we're doing this. So I contacted the doctor's office in January 2022 and I had my surgery performed by him January 2023. It's been a long process, but ever since having osseointegration, I have been able to live the life I want to live. So I haven't always been a marathoner. I would never call myself a marathoner, but to me, I wasn't able to run for 9.5 years. In high school, I was a 3-sport athlete, football, basketball, baseball, played golf on the side. After having my injury, that all changed. It stopped, it was done. 19 years old, done, no more of that. And that was a very tough pill to swallow, and it took 9.5 years. And I got osseointegration, and it changed my life. And I was able to get back to what I was doing, being competitive, having that drive, going after things. And marathons, even though I'm not a marathoner, that's 26.2 miles that you are doing something that you were not able to physically do for 9.5 years. And that is freedom. And that's what drives me. It gets me so motivated knowing that I'm out there doing something that I was not able to do, and now I am. And I'm helping people, show others what you can do. And that is what gets me out of bed in the morning, and that's why I'm sitting in this chair right now, and that's why I am here running the New York City Marathon. This is me showing that this whole injury did not break me. It's been a long road, but I'm here now. I'm showing not only myself, but everyone that sees it, that this did not hurt me. This strengthened me. So yeah, every mile that I run today, I'm gonna be thinking about that. I'm gonna be looking around and seeing the city that allowed me to live this way, to know that on my back is a doctor that got me here. And when I cross that finish line, I will know that I just achieved something great, and the people that see it can provide them hope and motivation to pursue osseointegration or to just pursue a healthy, happy, better life.